that, I would just briefly like to talk about Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is a very popular classical Indian dance from Andhra Pradesh, India. The charm of Kuchipudi lies in its fast and intricate footwork, sinuous grace, and the use of eyes to express moods and feelings. It is symbolical of the unification of the human soul with that eternal cosmic soul. Onesha Bhaumik, Rasya Bolu, Shravya Lingam, Ishita Rai, Riya Sen, Pooja Devandadar, and Krishna Sampada Velluri have been learning Kuchipudi from last several years from our renowned Kuchipudi teacher, Mrs. Prafula Velluri. Mrs. Prafula Velluri is an accomplished Kuchipudi dancer, choreographer, Carnatic music singer, and guru. Prafula started performing Andhra folk dance on stage at the age of 3 and graduated from Telugu University majoring in Kuchipudi dance. She was awarded the title Natya Sudha Lahari at the age of 9. She's a great teacher, and it's always a pleasure to see her as well as her children perform on the stage. So I will request Mrs. Prafula Velluri to come on the stage and start the Kuchipudi performance.
Thank you, Rakhi. We will start the Kuchipudi performance this evening with Bhaja Manasa Vighneshwara Manisam, which is a prayer on Lord Sri Ganesha. As you all know, any auspicious occasion in Hindu culture, we start with Ganesha Vandana. So let's start the Kuchipudi dance style show of this evening with Bhaja Manasa Vighneshwara Manisam. This means let's all pray to Lord Ganesha all the time. Vighneshwara means he is the Lord of obstacles. That means he removes all the obstacles. So let's pray him and let's see Krishna Sampada Velluri will be dancing Bhaja Manasa Vighneshwara Manisam.